the forest treasure hunt. Lily and Dad were ready for an exciting forest treasure hunt. They had a map with clues to find a hidden treasure.
Let's start! The first clue says we need to find the tall oak tree.
They walked along the path, searching for the tall oak tree mentioned in their map.
Look at that big oak tree. Could this be the one?
Yes, let's see if there's a clue here.
Lily found a hidden box with a new clue and a drawing of a butterfly.
The clue says to follow the butterfly to the next location.
They followed the butterflies to a beautiful garden filled with colorful flowers.
Look at all these butterflies. Let's search the garden for the next clue.
Lily found another envelope hidden under a flower pot.
Here it is. Let's see what the next clue says.
The next clue led them to a sparkling stream where they could see fish swimming.
This is such a peaceful spot. Let's look around for the final clue.
Lily discovered a buried chest with toy jewels and a note.
We found the treasure! This was so much fun!
Lily and Dad enjoyed their treasure and a snack by the stream, celebrating their successful adventure.
You did a great job today, Lily. What was your favorite part?
Finding the treasure was the best part.
As they walked home, Lily and Dad knew that every adventure is special, and there were many more treasures to discover.
We'll have to go on another adventure soon.
Yes, let's explore more.